Hello and welcome. This is a show called How to Make Butter Egg McMuffins. So first thing you gotta do is you put the English muffins in the toaster and you toast them for like 2 minutes. And then after that, turn on the stove, put the butter in the pan, then after that, crack eggs in one of each pan, 1 egg in one of each pan, and oh. Ahead, we put the eggshells in the compost, then wash your hands, get it all off. Then after that, we put the lid on top of these 2 pans. Yeah, get the English muffins from the toaster, and mayonnaise, you squeeze it on one of each English muffins, and the other around, and then the mayonnaise back in the fridge, and now gotta wait for the eggs to cook. Nope, not even cooking right yet for the eggs. Just we gotta wait a while longer, just a little bit. And we gotta, oh, can see that they're sizzling and cooking at the same time. And we have to do is wait until they're fully cooked, and that's a good thing. Oh This is going to be a good meal. Okay, they're almost ready. Okay, 1 egg is done from the green pan. Now I just gotta wait for the other one. It's just called the butter egg, with eggs with butter. Okay, we turn this off. And oh. Here. And here is your Butter Egg McMuffins. Enjoy it, everyone. Thanks for watching.